evolutionbeats.com.
I'm alone in the rain, in the middle of a hurricane. Cracked glass on a picture with a broken frame. Flashbacks of the past got me feeling pain. The definition of depression seems to be my name. The Smith & Wesson got me wondering who is to blame. This bad luck is fucking stuck on me like it's a stain. Sometimes I wish on 9/11 I was on a plane. I see the silhouette of someone that I've overcame. But the truth is evolutions always seem to be illusions. No more New Year resolutions, man, I'm sick of change. In fact, I'm fucking sick of everything. For real. I'm not out here trying to fool you, cause I'm glad I got to know you. But it's time for me to lose you, flying over the Bermuda. Hope the devil's got recruiters, driving drunk inside a Cougar with a fully loaded Ruger. Heard the Motorola chirp, I think it was my brother Buddha, but I didn't get the answer. I drifted left to center and I hit a Nissan Sentra. Man, I never meant to hurt nobody, but buddy, I'm not content to say that I pretend to live my life in sinner. I keep it bottled up and hold my own emotions sensitive. Not a person on this earth knows what I've been into. And it's the words of a winner. Some looking and they never find what they really want with this life. You can do what you think is right, but you can't stop the hands of time. Some looking and they never find what they really want with this life. You can do what you think is right, but you can't stop the hands of time. Some looking and they never find what they really want with this life. You can do what you think is right, but you can't stop the hands of time. I'm sick of financial problems, it seems like everyone's got them. I don't follow the lotto, I barely eat at McDonald's. I'm hoping I'll see tomorrow, but wanna die from this bottle. It's like I can barely swallow, my heart is not fucking hollow. No motto, boy, don't you follow my fucking sight. This the realest shit I ever wrote, so I can cope. I've having on my hope, live or die, just let me go. It's like I'm climbing up a slope below zero without a coat. Yo, my fucking back is broke from always bending over backwards. Got indigens of a pistol embedded under this mattress. How can every bitch I meet end up turning into an actress? No more words, it's time for action. Some looking and they never find what they really want with this life. You can do what you think is right, but you can't stop the hands of time. Some looking and they never find what they really want with this life. You can do what you think is right, but you can't stop the hands of